Hi guys, how are you? And welcome back to the channel. Probably right about now you realized that I am doing an unboxing. Now this particular guy came in the box. It came in the mail today, and I just wanted to do one of these direct unboxings because I've never done it on the channel, and I thought it would be a nice way and a nice time to start now. The watch that I have in this box today, it is another Heimdallr, of course, and it is a Seiko SKX Homage. And the reason why I bought one of these things is because, to be completely honest, I actually couldn't, like, my heart didn't actually allow me to pay over $350 for a Seiko SKX. I know it is the one. I know it is a proper iconic watch, but frankly, I just didn't want to do it. And I got the next best thing, or what I think is the next best thing. Like I said, it came in the mail today, and I'm super excited about this. It took a month, and the guys at Heimdallr were nice enough to actually send me a strap as well. I remember asking on the email if I can get one of these things, and they said yes, and they were very, very nice, and I can see they actually held their end of the bargain. Now, this is a 22mm lug Nato strap, and I cannot wait to put it on the watch. Let's just put this aside for the moment and see how this guy looks in the box. I went for the one on the Jubilee. There you go. Let's put that aside for a second, and the handwritten card that we're well used to from Heimdallr. There you go. Heimdallr, date of purchase and everything, warranty card. That is perfect, and the box that we're all well used to, like I said. And there is the beautiful, beautiful watch. Oh, I'm so excited. I was waiting for this for a long time, and I finally got it. Let me just get that a little closer there. There you go. So I'll just take, it would be nice if I could take the plastic off, wouldn't it? Oh, I'm so excited about this, and I actually got it on the Jubilee bracelet. This is actually a good looking watch. Now, through the magic of editing, I will do the thing where I take all the plastic off the wrap with one of these things. It is off. All the plastic and all the wrapping of that Jubilee bracelet is off. Let me just pop that crown. Oops, sorry about that. I'm going to pop that crown back in. Oh my god, I am so excited that this is finally here. Let me set the time. It is 3:53 a.m. It doesn't actually matter that much, to be honest, at the moment. I will do that afterwards. Put that off there. There you go. Now, guys, so this particular thing, just to get back on topic, this particular watch cost me €159. I don't know how much it is in dollars. I never owned a Seiko SKX, like I said, and to be honest, I actually didn't want to spend $350 for a Seiko SKX. I just wanted to get the next best thing, what I think is the next best thing. So this watch features a ceramic bezel, a sapphire crystal, a Seiko NH36 movement, because you have the day and the date, and proper lume. You only have the Heimdallr Sharky logo, and let me see how the bezel action is, and it's absolutely gorgeous. All proper, very, very satisfying and nice and consistent there. And that Jubilee bracelet has that proper flex and full stainless steel end links. Sorry, full end links. My apologies, solid end links. I said. And on the back you have the Heimdallr shark. It's Heimdallr and the Sharky logo. There you go. Now let me just take this. Now this is not sized or anything to my wrist. I'm just curious how it looks, and there it is. It is a 42mm watch, but it has that 46mm lug-to-lug distance, and it wears nice and compact on my 6.3-inch wrist. I had to take a few links out of that bracelet because it's kind of big, as you can see. I can actually probably take it off without opening the bracelet, but the bracelet on it is nice and milled. It's a stamped clasp, but it doesn't matter. Safety, double pin. Stick around, guys. I'm going to wear this for a few weeks, and I will give you guys the proper review for it. Well, I'm going to wear it as much as I can in the house, obviously, but I'm actually super excited to have this on my wrist. I'm going to size it properly, and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you very much for sticking around and for tuning into my unboxing video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.